Hello, good evening or good morning, depends where you are. So, I will teach you today how to get American number for verification, totally for free. An example, you can make American Android account. So I will show you how to make it. First, you go to your Play Store. Then you go to Nextplus. You will wait until it will install. If you need more tutorial, just ask me and I will try to find for you. It takes a little bit time to be installed, so patience is recommended. And I want to say thank you for Judy Texan for subscribes to my channel. Thank you very much, sis. Okay, now I'm back. So you open the Nextplus, then you click sign up, continue, allow only while using the app. Here you put username, white Pinoy 2021, because soon we are in 2021. So then you need to put a password. You need to put a password with a big letter, a number, and special character. Voila, when you put the password, you will click agree with the privacy policy, and then sign up. You click allow. Well, welcome to your new phone number. So so now you go to the upper right icon, and then you put you tap to get a free Nextplus number. Then you can choose what place in America you want your number. So let's say California. Okay. Get hopla. Get and then here I can choose what number I want. I think it's a municipality or like that. You press OK, and then you click Get Custom Number. Activating. I'm not a robot, so you need to click on that and then finish do the captcha. You need to click all the parking meter for me. And that's all. Hopla, I get trouble. Ah, here I get. Tada! I receive a message, so it's mean that your your number has been created. Here's my new number now. So I go again to the upper right icon, and here my Nextplus number. You can see it's it's become my number. So you can press on it. Voila, here. Then now I want to create Android Google app US account. So for this, I need to go to ExpressVPN or any VPN that you have. Yeah, more like ExpressVPN because it's more stronger. It's much stronger, this VPN. Up, you click on connect. So now you can go to your Play Store and then add another account. So I will do with my fingerprint. So now I make create an account for myself. First name, I make a white Pinoy. Like that. I'll make love. I can put my birthday. Anyway, you can put any birthday you want to put, any date, I mean. So, voila. Male or female, it depends what you are or what you want to put. And then here, you have two choices. Choice number one is to use one already create Gmail address, or you can also create your own Gmail address. Well, for me, I will use the already created, the whitepinoylove1@gmail.com. Then I click next. Then I will choose a password. The password must be with a big letter and numbers and special symbol. So I already done to put my new password. I'll click on next. Then you can put your number. So you choose United States. I think it's United States. The number that you copy before. You click on paste. You can remove the the +1 here. Voila. And then you click on next. And then next. Then express personalization is what I will choose, so that it's fast. Voila. Then confirm. And I agree. Here you get your new Google Play account and Gmail account. And when you're not in America, you can still get it. Here, you see, white. Oops, sorry. White love. You get you can get it's the way to get a free American Google Play account, so you can get more and more new applications. So I hope you enjoy all the tricks that I give to you today, and see you soon for another video. Thank you so much.